Good morning, students. Today we will study about Commonwealth Games. Commonwealth Games is the third largest multi-sport event in the world after the Olympic Games and the Asian Games. It takes place every 4 years except the 1950 Games, which took place after a 12-year gap from the third edition of Games. The first Commonwealth Games were held in 1938 Hamilton, Canada. India for the first time participated in the second Commonwealth Games held in London in 1934. So let's start. Here given year-wise Commonwealth Games name, place, participant teams, sports, winning country and India's medal tally, India's position. Okay, so here given in the year of 1930 हैमिल्टन प्लेस जहाँ पर कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स रखे गए थे कनाडा. पार्टिसिपेंट टीम कितने थे 11 इन स्पोर्ट्स 6. विनिंग कंट्री हुए इंग्लैंड. इंडिया इज नॉट पार्टिसिपेटेड. इंडिया was not participated on that Commonwealth Games in 1930. Okay, 1934 London, England. Participant team 16, sports 6, winning country again England and India's medal tally. So one bronze medal got on that time India. Okay, and 1938 Sydney, Australia. Participant team 15, sports 7 and Australia winning country's name is Australia and India not got any medal on that time. 1950 Auckland, New Zealand. Participant team 12, sport 9, winning country Australia and India is not participate. 1954 Vancouver, Canada. Participant team 24, sports 9 and winning country England. India not got any medals. 1958 Cardiff, Wales. Participant team 36, sports 9, England. Winning countries England and India's position. So India got 2 gold medal and 1 silver medal. 1962 Perth, Australia. Participant team 35, sports 9 and winning country Australia. India was not participated. 1966 Kingston, Jamaica. Participant team 34, sports 9 and winning country England. India's medal tally. So India got 3 gold, 4 silver and 1 bronze medal. 3 bronze medal. Okay, 1970 Edinburgh, Scotland. Participant team 42, sports 9, winning country Australia. India's 5 got 5 gold medal, 3 silver medal and 4 bronze medal. 1974 Christchurch, New Zealand. Participant team 38, sports 9, winning country Australia and India got 4 gold medal, 8 silver medal and 3 bronze. 1978 Edmonton, Canada. Participant teams 46, sport 10 and winning country is Canada. Winning country was Canada and India got 5 gold medal, 5 silver and 5 bronze. 1982 Brisbane, Australia. Participant teams 46, sport 10 and winning country was Australia and India got 5 gold medal, 8 silver and 3 bronze. 1986 Edinburgh, Scotland. Participant team 26, sport 10 and winning country England. India was not participated. 1990 Auckland, New Zealand. Participant teams 55, sports 10, winning country Australia. Gold India got 13 gold medal, 8 silver and 11 bronze. 1994 Victoria, Canada. Participant team 63, sports 10, and winning country Australia. India 6 gold, 12 silver and 7 bronze. And 1998 Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Participant team 70, sports 15, winning country's name is Australia, and India got 7 gold, 10 silver and 8 bronze medal. 2002 Manchester, England. Participant team 72, sports 17, and winning country Australia. India got 30 golds, 22 silver, bronze 17, and India's position was on that time 4th position in 2002 Commonwealth Games. 2006 Melbourne, Australia. Here given 71 participants, 16 games, sports, winner country is Australia, and India 22 gold, silver 17, bronze 11, 4th position again. 2010 Delhi, India. Participants teams 71, games, sports 17, Australia. Winning countries Australia, and India got 38 gold, silver 27, bronze 36, second position got. 2014 Glasgow, Scotland. 71 countries participants and 17 sports or games. England, winner country is England, and India got 15 gold, 30 silver and bronze 19, 5th position. Now 2000 again given here 2018 Gold Coast City, Queensland, Australia. Future event here written, but it is completed. Okay, so 71 here also participant, and games 19 events total, and winner countries Australia, and India got 26 gold medal, 20 silver and 20 bronze. Okay, so it is about Commonwealth Games 2022 Durban, South Africa. Future event it is. Okay, so we will know about in future about this Commonwealth Games 2022. 20 Commonwealth Games 23rd July 3rd to 3rd August 2014. The 20 Commonwealth Games were held in Glasgow, Scotland from 23rd July to 3rd August 2014. Around 4,950 athletes participated in this 12-day long sports event. England topped the medals tally with 174, 58 gold, 59 silver and 57 bronze medals, while Australia, Canada and Scotland stood second, third and fourth with 137, 82, 53 medals. Respectively, India finished fifth with 64, 15 gold, 30 silver and 19 bronze medals. The first gold medal for India in the Commonwealth Games 2014 was won by Vikas Gowda in discus throw at 63.64 meter. India put up a spectacular performance in shooting, wrestling, boxing and weightlifting. Here is given chart about 20 Commonwealth Games 2014. England first position, 58 gold, 59 silver and 57 bronze, one total 174. Second position got Australia, third is Canada. Okay, so sequence wise given here. You learn and you know about it, you should know about it, so read about it, and if any doubt then consult it into meeting. Here is given chart. Best Athletic Welsh gymnast Frank Kashyap Jones was honored with the David Dixon Award after being adjudged adjudged the best athlete of the 20 Commonwealth Games. What is given here? Sly was the mascot of 2014 Commonwealth Games. Motto of 2014 Commonwealth Games: People, Place, Passion. Events: 2061 events in 18 sports. Officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II of the Great Britain. Last runner of Queen's baton relay, Sir Chris Hoy. So it is about 20 Commonwealth Games. Students, 2018 Commonwealth Games were held Gold Coast City, Queensland, Australia. Their first position, winner team is Australia, first position. And how many medals Australia on? So 80 gold, 59 silver and 59 bronze, total 198. And India got third position in 2018 Commonwealth Games. Gold, India got 26 gold medal, 20 silver medal and 20 bronze. So total 66. Total 66. And second position England, 45 gold, 45 silver and 46 bronze, total 136. So it is about Commonwealth Games. Okay students, so study about it, and if any doubt then consult it into meeting.